as growth happens, I just added tools. We had our project planning going on in Smartsheet, but none of the people on the team really check Smartsheet. People are just slacking. Hey, where are we on this? So then you get to update things in two places. It just leads to, yeah, we were supposed to do that by this date. Didn't end up happening. But when I saw what ClickUp did in one place, that's what really interested me. We had a giant project that we did pre-ClickUp. It was too big to really figure out how to put it in Smartsheet. We had a spreadsheet going, and then we had a spreadsheet off that spreadsheet. This year, we did that exact same project in ClickUp. It was comprised of 30 videos. So each individual video had its own piece, and then that one had its own plan in it. In Smartsheet, we had these two lists, but they didn't talk to each other. So we had a different project in here, and then a different project in here, and then we had to remember to move them all at the same time. This is one. With Smartsheet, we're a small account. We had 5 seats. When something happened, I'd send them an email and I wouldn't hear back. And I not even really blame them for not getting back to me. We're so small. I just stopped asking after a while. Here in my chat, I send him a clip and he just writes back and he'll send me one back. And then I'll get my question answered really quickly and accurately. We were in Smartsheet for 5 years. And they added maybe one new view that we never even used. ClickUp is always innovating and coming up with new things. You can put in tickets for a product feature request. They actually write back to you. It's reassuring that our platform is built on something that's progressing and growing as we are.